guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to capture crop screenshot on your Android device without using any app. Okay, so for this guys, you don't need to use the control button, power button, volume button to capture the screenshot, or you don't need to use the finger gesture to capture the screenshot. In the quick access settings guys, here you can get the option screenshot. In case the option is not showing in the quick settings, just tap on three dots, click on edit tiles. Okay, from here you need to select that option to add on the quick tiles. Okay, and then just tap and open that option, and here you can get the option partial screenshot. Just tap on it. Okay, like this. Now drag and drop your finger like this where you want to capture that particular screenshot. Okay, like this. Now it will capture that particular area screenshot. Okay, if you want to add some text or any other thing, just customize as per your choice and then tap on right arrow mark. Okay, like this. The screenshot will save to your phone. Okay, so this is a very nice and very useful feature available in your Android device. Okay, so that's about it guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.